Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn how to use the extrude surface, offset plane, fillet, chamfer, and hold. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make this cylinder. So we will select the front plane. The diameter of this cylinder is A, 50 millimeters, and the length here is letter B, 50 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a circle. Make a circle with 50 millimeters of diameter. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And select coincident, select this circle and the midpoint. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance, 50 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. Now, we will create this cylinder. The diameter, 35 millimeters, and the distance between the center of the cylinder and this edge here is 135, and the distance between this edge here and this edge here is 80 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Go to create, select the project include project. The selection filter, select the bodies, select this body and press OK. Now select the circle. Make a circle with 35 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and this edge is 135. And click here and in this line. And click with the right button here and select Pick Circle Arc Tangent. And select this point here. The distance here is 80 millimeters. Finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 5 millimeters to this side. The plane is here, so we need to extrude 5 millimeters here. And to the other side, we needed to extrude 30 millimeters. So go to extrude and select this profile. The direction, select the two sides. This side here is 30 millimeters and the side 2 is 5 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this two cylinder here. Now we'll make the base. So we will create this base here. So the base, we have an arc here, tangent with this circle and tangent with this line. The radius here is 70 millimeters and the distance between this line here and this line here is 5 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. And go to create, select the project include, project. Select this body here and this one and press OK. I will hide this a little bit. Select line. Make a line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 5 millimeters. And go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this point and this circle, make an arc here. And go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line. And this arc and this circle. The radius here is 70 millimeters. Now in the other side here, we have a line with 5 millimeters. And we have a fillet here. The radius here is 15. So let's create this. Select line, make a line here. The distance between this line and this one is 5 millimeters. and go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with the circle and tangent with this line. And the radius here is 15 millimeters. And select the 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle here. Go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point, and select this point and the midpoint. We will use this to make the extrusion here, to extrude this side here. Finish the sketch, show the body 1 and the body 2, and here go to extrude. We needed to extrude the base 8 millimeters, letter T. So select this profile. The distance here is 8. Operation, join, and press OK. We made this. Now we will create this pipe here. So the diameter 25 millimeters, and the distance between this face here and this body here is 4 millimeters. So let's create this circle. So go to offset plane, select the right plane. The distance here will be 25. That is the radius of the circle, plus 4. That is the distance here. Press OK. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and the midpoint here is 25. And go to constraints, horizontal. Select this point and this point here. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The direction, one side. The extended type to object, select this object. The extend, select your adjacent face, operation join, and press OK. And now we will create this rib. So the first thing that we make to create this, we will select the front plane and we will create this arc here. The radius is 250 millimeters, and it is tangent with the circle, and the center of this arc is vertical with this point here. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, project include, project, selection filter, select the body, select this body and press OK. And here go to create and select the arc, 3-point arc. Select the circle, make an arc here. Go to constraint, select the tangent, make this arc tangent here. And go to constraints, horizontal vertical, select the center of this arc and the midpoint. The radius here, 250 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Now go to surface and select this profile here. And go to extrude. The direction, select symmetric. Measurement, whole length. The distance here can be 8 millimeters or 100 millimeters, no problem. Operation new body and press OK. We made the surface here. Now we will create this profile of this rib. So here we have a line and we have an arc here. This arc has 45 millimeters of radius and it is coincident with the center of the circle. So we'll create this. So go to create a sketch and select this face here. and go to create, select the project included, project, select this body, press OK, and select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here, and make an arc here. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here 45 millimeters. Finish the sketch and show the surface. Go to extrude, the type select thin extrude, the profile select this profile, the direction one side, the extended type select to object, the object select this surface, the operation here is join. Let's change the extended type again, and the extend selected to adjacent face. The thickness here is 8 millimeters, and the wall location selected center. Operation join and press OK. I will hide the surface and hide the sketch. Now we will make the fillets. So in the green area, full round fillet. In our case, we use the 4 millimeters for the both edge. And in the yellow area, the radius is 2. So go to fillet, select this edge and this edge. The fillet here is 4 millimeters. Add selection set, select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. And add selection set, select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. Now we will create the holes. So the hole here, the diameter is 50 millimeters. And this hole here will be 50 minus 16. We have 8 millimeters in this side, plus 8 millimeters in this side. The same case for this one will be 35 minus 16. And here we have a hole with 15 millimeters of diameter. So select the hole, select this face, move this to the center, to the white point, or edge reference, select this edge, and the extend, select all. The hole type simple, hole tape type simple. The diameter here 50 minus 16. Press OK. Go to hole again, select this face. Move this to the white point. The diameter here 35 minus 16. The extend, select all and press OK. And in this side, select the hole, select this face, move this to the white point. It is the center here. The hole type, select simple, tape type simple, drill point flat. The diameter here is 15. The distance here we use 25. And press OK. We made this. Now we need to create the chamfer here. The chamfer is 2 millimeters in the both sides for this pipe and for this one. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here. And press OK. Let's check the volume of this model. 1292. 1292. It is difference 0.5%, so it is correct. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.